Hi, I'm Avery, and to me, a healthy planet has clean air, clean water, food available for everyone, and a community that cleans up after themselves.
Hi, my name is Emerson Ogden, and I think a healthy planet is to be that everyone should go outside and clean up trash, and everyone should be nice to one another.
Hi, my name is Sanvi. What is a healthy planet? To me, a healthy planet is a clean, comfortable, safe, and positive planet.
A healthy planet is a planet where responsible humans take good care of the planet.
Hi, I'm Colin. I'm the president of the world. Nice to meet you. What makes a healthy planet? Is preventing climate change. No question about that.
We need to come together to help our planet. To me, a healthy planet means healthy plants, healthy animals, and a healthy environment. This will not be possible if we keep polluting our planet.
Even though I don't control the world today, I can still make a difference.
If I don't take care of my planet, then it will not be the same for the rest of my life.
Recycling conserves energy, reduces air and water pollution, reduces greenhouse gases, and conserves natural resources.
It takes a lot of fossil fuels to make that run. Instead of that, I care about the environment, so I run to and from school every day.
Eating locally sourced fruits and vegetables is a great way to not only promote local businesses, but to eat healthy, sustainably grown foods.
If I were in charge of the world, I would inspire people to work together as a team because we know one person can make a difference, but all of us together can change the world.